Welcome back to What's on My Phone video. I purchased a new phone and it's 2018. What can be a better time to show off my new phone? The main objective of these kind of videos are to get inspired by the setup and build your own setup with little customizations and get to install a few new apps. It's Kaushik from Mr. Tech Trek here, and let's get into it. There are quite a lot of changes that took place since the last installment. Let's explore together. The phone I'm using here is the Mi A1. Yes, it's a bit old with an outdated processor, but I needed a phone and I didn't find any better option than this, especially in the stock Android department, and it still holds good. I had a skin from Capes India on it, but I had to remove it because it started to peel off, and the reason is I did not apply it correctly. My bad. But the skin was really affordable and I was really happy with it. Also, there were no residue while removing the skin. I'm planning to order a Black Panther edition again from Capes, link in the description if you also want to check out. So I use Nova Launcher, and the wallpaper often change, and all the wallpapers that you see here are from Wallpy. So that's my wallpaper of choice as of now. They have wallpapers for every kind of situation laid out in the collections tab. Wallpapers out of the way, the widget on the top is from Unity Widget 3, and I have set it up to open clock when I tap on it. There are a lot of good ones out there, but for now, this one fits the setup well. I have the Google Companion app for Nova Launcher installed, which gives me the option to swipe right to get into the Google Now page. Now, if you observe, I don't have a dock here, and that is because I disabled it and everything is on the desktop. The small and the simple icons used on the desktop is a collection from Drop's icon pack. There weren't a lot of supported icons earlier, so I just used them for the desktop, and for the rest of the icons other than the ones on the desktop, I use Naxos round icon pack. I use them because they are round and they mask the icons that don't have the icons available. Now let's talk apps. The bottom set of apps has all the essentials like Dialer, Gmail, Chrome, and a few of them like Hangouts have custom shortcuts. Swiping on it opens native Messenger app, but tapping on it opens Hangouts. The last icon is a folder in which I have a few remote control apps to control TV and AC at home. Previously I had camera application here, but now I just double tap the power button to get into the camera. Moving up, I have Google folder, the basic stuff. Docs for writing down scripts, Drive to save necessary files needed for videos, Google Keep to take notes, Maps, and Photos. The social tab has Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Google+. There aren't a lot of people following me on Twitter and Instagram, and if you like to see some behind the scenes and some interesting pictures, you should follow me there. In the music folder, I have SoundCloud and Hungama, and there's a new addition to my music app, and that's Amazon Music. It's for Prime subscribers, and there aren't a lot of music available as of yet because it has been released recently, but it'll grow with time. Then I have WhatsApp, and swiping up on it will take me to Messenger, and then YouTube, which is a very underrated app, and you should check this one out for sure, and swiping on it will bring my YouTube stats. That's my minimal home screen setup. Swiping to reveal the app drawer, I have a lot of apps here. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll scroll through the apps so you can pause to find the app you like. That's everything about what's on my phone. Nothing has changed a lot. All the apps that I showed in my previous installments holds the same here. Hope you guys found something to improve your setup. So that's all for now. Drop a like if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already. It's Kaushik signing off, and see you all in the next one.